So good afternoon, I'm Kurt. I'll be your barista for today. So for this afternoon, we'll be preparing recipes or drinks from Cafe 64, and also we'll be using different glasswares from my mother's cupboard. So first, we'll be preparing Mojito mint cold brew. That's one part of our cold brew selection in Cafe 64. So we'll be needing cold brew, brevet, our mint syrup, and mint leaves for the garnish later. So first, I'll just mix our cold brew coffee and our mint syrup. Right. We'll just pour it sa glass na gagamitin natin. Then I'll just add ice. And after, I'll just top it off with our brevet mixture. And for the garnish, we'll just put mint leaves on top. So this is our Mojito mint cold brew.